everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. It is a project that I am doing with Amanda, and a few other people have joined in. I'm going to have everyone that's joined in listed down below. We are basically doing panning or setting a goal for a product for each and every episode that ever aired for all of the seasons. And now I'm sad that it's over, but like, you know, Jared Padalecki is doing Walker, and now Jensen Ackles is going to be on season 3 of The Boys. If you haven't watched The Boys before, it is an Amazon Prime show that I've watched the first 2 episodes because, you know, it's superheroes, but it's not like any other superheroes you've ever watched before. It's definitely not for children, like, ever. It's very, 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 very inappropriate for youngsters. Just let that be a warning. But you know, if you need a Jensen fix, like, because I'm a Dean girl, yeah, he's coming up on season 3 of The Boys on Amazon Prime. Just a little heads up for my other Jensen fans out there. All right, so I do have 2 empties, but I'm going to do this in order of the episodes, how they aired, and show you where I am. And then, ironically enough, the last 2 products that I rolled in are my empties. Go figure. That's just the way it is. Some things take a heck of a lot longer than others, and some of them take a lot longer because, you know, someone's not using them. I can't imagine why. All right, for the first one, a very Supernatural Christmas. I have the CleanColor Holiday Jingle polish. I actually do have it on my nails today. I'm trying to use this 20 times, and I am finally up to 14. Green glitter is just not something that you wear every day, but I am trying to use it at least once, like, per update, sometimes more, but yeah, it's hard to use green glitter frequently because, you know, but I like to pair it with this blue because it gives it kind of almost a teal look if you're just looking at it quick. I like that combo. Mystery Spot, it's kind of like Groundhog Day, which of course is a movie I love. For me, Groundhog Day is either black eyeliner or lip balm. I have like 6 bazillion of both of them, and they're all just ever so slightly different. So yeah, I have this Event Blossom lip balm. This is so close to being melted down and put in a lipstick tube, or a lip balm tube. That's the word I'm looking for, which I need to film because I'm going to be doing a tinted lip balm. Franken, I needed to have an empty lip balm tube, and now that I have finished one, I can melt. So that is coming up soon. Next episode, Time is on My Side, and that's about a doctor that is obsessed with youth and eternal life and all that good stuff. I have the Exuviance Age Reverse Hand Peel. I haven't touched it. I should, because I've been gardening like a crazy person, and my hands are looking a little bit rough lately. It would behoove me to use my hand peel. No, I don't take that time for myself. I should, but I don't. All right, and No Rest for the Wicked. That's a good episode. I chose ColourPop No Rest for the Vivid. I actually do have this on my inner corners today. My goal is to use this 20 times. I am up to 8 times on this one. I just put a little bit of eye drops in it, so it's a little wet, but yeah, I have some good usage on it, which is kind of cool considering I'm not even trying to like hit pan or use it up. I just want to use it 20 times. Like I said, I have 8 uses on it. That is much easier to use frequently. So yeah, I may end up getting this done before I get the polish done. Who knows what's going to happen with me. This is just me. All right, so on to season 4, where I have both of my empties. Couldn't possibly have them for season 3. I have season 4 here. First one is for Lazarus Rising. I have the Exuviance Skin Rise Morning Glow. Wordplay with the rise there. These were toner pads. They are so done. They smelled really good. I absolutely loved these. I loved that. They made my skin feel so good, and they were so refreshing in the morning. And I don't know what ingredient just woke up my skin. It was such a light, lovely tingle that just made me feel absolutely refreshed. I will have to look at the ingredients to figure out what that is. It says it has green tea and cucumber extract. I don't know if that's what did it or not, but wow, it was very rejuvenating. I absolutely loved those. All right, and Are You There, God? It's me, Dean Winchester, and we're not going to discuss the book again because that was weird. In that episode, they break a seal, and if you, I don't want to give too many things away, but breaking the seal is bringing Lilith back, and I chose the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream, in which I pulled off the seal live last update when I brought this in. It was small. It was very easy to use and go through. It is empty, and I enjoyed it. It was nice. Didn't break me out, which is always a plus. But yeah, 2 down. 2 down, and I have to bring 2 more in, which they're going to be usage goals because they're big products. I have In the Beginning, and that is when Dean goes back to 1973, where Azazel feeds Sam his blood, and yeah, it's kind of gross, I know. And also Metamorphosis, and that is an episode where Sam is actually tapping into that demon blood that he had received back in 1973. It was Azazel's a demon, and you know, he put that demon blood within Sam, so now Sam has that in his system and he can draw power from that. So both of them have everything to do with demon's blood, Azazel's blood, the demon Azazel's blood. So I am going off that blood thing, and I am choosing the shampoo and conditioner, which is the Sicilian Blood Orange and Black Currant. This is from Not Your Mother's Naturals because, you know, I like their products, and I just want to use them 5 times each. You know, I don't wash my hair every day, so I don't know if I will have them done by the next update. It would be cool if I did, but I'm also working on to finish another shampoo in this line, not this particular, you know, formula, but to finish this year. So yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see how it plays out, but that's my goal. I have 2 episodes and 2 products, both having to do with blood, and this is what I'm bringing in. So I don't even know what these smell like. Can you see they still have like the tape on them and stuff, where Ulta shipped them to me. Yep, so they didn't get all goopy and gross. So I'm happy to have 2 things done and bringing in 2 new episodes. I'm going to have Amanda listed down below. She has not updated recently because she got life going on. But the other ladies, I'm not sure how frequently they are updating. But again, I'm going to put them down there as a courtesy. If you want to go check them out, of course, go ahead. If you would like to join in, we would love to have you join in for this project. We are doing 6 at a time, so just pick the first 6 episodes, pick products to match up with those episodes, and have at it, because more the merrier. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.